Mastering everyday English. Pat dry with a towel. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a very common phrase you might encounter in everyday English. Pat dry with a towel. Whether you're a beginner or looking to polish your English skills, understanding these everyday phrases can make a big difference in your communication. So, let's get started. Pat dry with a towel is a phrase that combines a few simple words to describe a specific action, but each word is packed with meaning. To pat means to lightly touch or tap something repeatedly. Unlike rubbing or wiping, patting is a gentle action that involves lifting and lowering your hand or a tool like a towel lightly against a surface. When we say dry, we're referring to the process of removing moisture or water from something. This action is often necessary after washing your hands, taking a shower, or cleaning an object. The phrase includes with a towel, which specifies the tool you should use for this action. A towel is a piece of absorbent fabric or paper used for drying or wiping. So, putting it all together, pat dry with a towel instructs someone to lightly tap an object or part of the body with a towel to remove moisture. This phrase is commonly used in various contexts where drying something gently is necessary. Let's explore a few examples. After washing your face, instead of rubbing your face vigorously, which can irritate the skin, it's recommended to gently pat it dry with a towel to avoid any harm. Drying delicate dishes or glasses. To prevent scratches or damage, you might pat them dry instead of using a rough action. Taking care of a baby. When drying a baby after a bath, it's important to pat the skin dry gently to keep it soft and safe from irritation. In all these situations, the key is to use a gentle, tapping motion with the towel, ensuring that you're not rubbing or causing friction that could lead to damage or irritation. We hope this video has shed some light on the meaning and use of the phrase, pat dry with a towel. Understanding these everyday expressions can significantly enhance your English communication skills, making you more confident in various situations. Remember, learning a language is all about getting familiar with its nuances and practical usage. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful tips and insights in our next video. Happy learning!